Hey guys, Tony Denaro here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to go over the lingering questions that you guys have about the Odeon Senior Secured Notes offering, the press release, and the 8K that AMC released on Friday, October 14th. There has been some misinformation, some misunderstandings, and some lingering questions. So let's get those cleared up for you. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, here is the press release, and I will put links to all this information in the video description. Let's just go through the details very quickly. I'll talk about some of the common questions that I'm still seeing people asking, and we'll get those answered for you. As it reads here in the first sentence, this is a private offering of $400 million, aggregate principal amount of 12.75% senior secured notes due 2027 at an issue price of 92%. What does all that mean? Let's talk about that. First of all, this is replacing the 10.75% in year one, 11.25% thereafter Odeon term loan facility that is due in August 2023. And the amount remaining on that was roughly $506 million. As you can see in the press release, this is a $400 million note, and the coupon rate is 12.75%. A lot of people are wondering, what is the 92%? That just basically means that this is a discounted bond. So the institutions that are buying these notes are getting a 8% discount off of the face value of the note. With that coupon rate of 12.75% and the discount that they are getting on the bond, the current yield or the effective rate that someone is going to receive who purchases those bonds is just under 14%, 13.859%. Getting into the second paragraph, and probably the second most common misconception I'm seeing on Twitter, YouTube, and Reddit, is AMC paid off $500 million in debt. The short thesis is wrecked. Well, okay, yes and no. Let's talk about that for a second. AMC is paying off the $506 million in debt that was due in August of 2023, this debt that we talked about right here. But they are moving $400 million of it with this new debt to 2027, and they are paying off just over $100 million in debt. So that leaves them with just over $5.3 billion once we subtract that $100 million in cash that they're using to pay off the debt. The interest rate, as we just talked about, is going up a little bit from 11.25 to the new coupon rate of 12.75 plus the discount, and it will be effectively just under 14%. As we all know, interest rates are going up in the United States and pretty much around the globe, and that affects corporate debt offerings also. So it's not unexpected that the coupon rate needed to increase from 11.25 to 12.75, and that discount on the bond makes it more attractive to institutional investors. All in all, this is pretty much what I expected for a debt restructuring for AMC. I did hear another question that was going around out there about a sentence on the 8K, which is the official version filed with the SEC for this press release. Let's pull that up real quick. And the particular words that were in question is, it says that this is a transaction exempt from registration under the Securities Act of 1933. Someone wanted to know, what does that mean exactly? It does talk about it in the press release, but it doesn't use that exact wording. What does this mean? Why is it exempt? It's because this offering is a private offering that is not being offered to the public. And down here in the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth paragraph, it says the notes and related guarantees are being offered only to persons reasonably believed to be qualified institutional buyers in reliance on Rule 144A under the Securities Act of 1933. That is why it is considered exempt. The final most common question that people are asking now that this debt is getting paid off and moved to 2027 is, does this affect the ability of the company to pay a dividend? Was this the final thing that we were waiting for to get paid off or restructured? I think I'm going to wait until I see the exact terms of this note, which I expect maybe we'll get in the upcoming quarterly announcement from AMC for Q3 in November. But I think that it's safe to say at this point, the absolute soonest, if all the stars align and everything works and AMC makes enough money, would be June of 2023. This is really a topic to cover several months from now. The short answer for now is no. There is no immediate ability for AMC to pay a dividend. We'll have a discussion about that again in a few months. I want to thank you for watching. This is your home for fact-based, non-clickbait, non-hype information and answers to your questions on your investments. As always, I do my best to share my 30 years of investment experience to help you wade through the clickbait and the hype, the drama and the nonsense, and focus on the facts. That's what we do here. I hope to see you on an upcoming live stream. Yes, I will be doing some live streams this week. In fact, I have a giveaway on Friday of this week. And if you're a Black Adam fan, pay attention. I am giving away one of those collectible light up Black Adam popcorn buckets. And if you are watching on the live stream on Friday, you have a chance to win. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, share the video with your friends on Reddit, Twitter, and Facebook. If this is your first time here, don't forget to buy and hold that subscribe button. I am Tony Denaro, and I will see you on the next video.
So you wanna go to war with me?